Hi friend, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and as you all know I'm a booktuber and I'm making video on this book. The name of this book is Practice of Brahmacharya. And friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way. And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, you'll understand it in a better way. Apart from saying 18 video, 20 video, 43 video, there is quite possibility that you get confused, friends. Okay. And friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section because I do see the comments and I give answer to each and every comments, friends. Okay. And friends, you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. So I will spell it for you, friends. Okay, it's ABHIMANYU BHATTACHARJE 1906. And friend, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon. So whenever I update a new video, you will get a notification, friends. Okay. So friends, in our last video, I've covered the topic called birth control. Okay, this topic. And friends, in our today's video I'm going to cover the topic called method of self control. Okay, this topic. So friends, this is 97 number video and the topic is method of self control. So let us see what Swami Sivananda ji is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay, is it any wonder if control of sexual appetite has become difficult, if not almost impossible? So Swami Swananda is telling that is it any wonder if the control of the sexual appetite has become difficult, if not almost impossible? Okay. If then birth control through self restraint is most desirable and sensible and totally harmless method. So here Swami Sivananda is telling, if then the birth control through the self restraint is the most desirable and sensible and totally harmless method, friends. Okay, we must change the social ideal and environment. So Swami Sivananda is telling that we must change the social ideal of the environment. The only way to bring about the desired end is for individuals. So Swami Sivananda is telling the only way to bring the end to the desire for the individual is the right way of the self-control and the follow the practice of brahmacharya and also to follow the practice of celibacy, friends. Okay. And basically this is a way of living, friends. Okay, this celibacy, brahmacharya, who believes in the method of self-control. So Swami Swananda is telling this is the ideal way of environment, who those individual who believe the follow of self-control, friends. Okay, so this Swami Swananda is telling to us in this topic to make the beginning themselves and with unquenchable faith to affect their surrounding. So Swami Swananda is telling to make the beginning and the quenchable way to survive their surrounding, friends. Okay, so this Swami Swananda is telling to us in this topic. For them, the conception of marriage has, it seems to me, the greatest significance. So Swami Swananda is telling the conception of marriage for them have become a greatest significance. A power grasp of it means a complete mental revolution. So Swami Swananda is telling a power grasp to it, it means the complete revolution. It is not meant merely for a few select individuals. So Swami Sivananda is telling it is not meant merely for a few selected individual. It is presented as the law of human species. So Swami Sivananda is telling it is presented as the laws of the human species. It breaches, reduces the status of the human being and being swift punishment in the shape of multispeciality of unwanted children. So Swami Sivananda is telling that it reduces the presented law of the human species and also the punishment of the unwanted children, friends. Okay, so this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic. A train for ever increasing disease and disruption of man as moral being responsible to his maker. So Swami Sivananda is telling disruption of the man as the moral of being doubt to regulate this process, friends. Okay, so this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic. Birth control by contractive no doubt regulates to a certain extent. So Swami Sivananda is telling birth control by the contractive regulates up to a certain extent the number of newcomers and enables a person of moderate means to keep wolf from the door. So Swami Sivananda is telling, by using the contractive, it's all about keeping at the wolf at the door, but it is not the permanent solution. Permanent solution is to practice the follow of brahmacharya and to follow the practice of celibacy, friends. Okay, so this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic. But the moral harm it does not to the individual and the society is incalculable. So Swami Sivananda is telling, but the moral harm it does to the individual and the society it is incalculable, friends. Okay, so this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay, so this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay, for one thing, the outlook upon life for those who satisfy the sexual appetite for the sake of its holy change. So Swami Sivananda is telling, it is the completely uncalculable thing how much it damaged the society for the sake of the sexual appetite. Those who don't follow the practice of celibacy and don't follow the practice of brahmacharya. So Swami Swananda is saying it is very important to follow the practice of celibacy and to follow the practice of brahmacharya, friends. Okay, marriage ceases to be a, a sacrament for them. So Swami Swananda is telling marriage ceases to be a sacrament for them. It means a reevaluation of the social ideas hit hitherto prizes as a precious treasure. So Swami Swananda is telling it is a sacrament of the revolution of the social ideas which is hitherto prizes as a precious treasure, friends. Okay, so this Swami Swananda is telling to us in this topic. No doubt, this argument will make little appeal to those who regard the whole ideas about marriage as a superstition. So, yes, Swami Sivananda is telling there is no doubt in the argument that it is a little appeal to those who regard the old marriage as a superstition, friends. Okay, so this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic. My argument is only addressed to those who regard marriage as the sacrament of the woman, not an instrument of animal pleasure, but as a mother of man and trustee of the virtue of a progeny. So Swami Swananda is telling that his argument is only to address to those women who regard marriage as a sacrament of the woman, not as an instrument of animal pleasure. So this Swami Swananda is telling to us in this topic, but as the mother man and the trustee of the virtue of her progeny, friends. Okay, so this Swami Swananda is telling to us in this topic. So friends, in our today's topic I have covered the concept called method of self control. Okay, and friends, in our next topic I am going to cover the topic called other methods useful useless other method useless, this topic, friends. Okay, so friends, this topic came to an end and I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, and I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, friends. Okay.